Hi, and welcome to this introductory video guide on using the notebook exemplars available to you as a teacher when using the Noteable service. To run a cell on Noteable, just click on the Run button on the top of a notebook. Once you have accessed one of the notebook exemplars, scrolling down will show you the legend of the notebook, highlighted in different colors using the Markdown cell type, as well as the objectives of the notebook. You can keep running through the cells in the notebook, which will progress through each cell that has been developed in it. As you scroll down, you will notice that there are instructions on how to progress through the notebook. And the goal of each notebook will be shown in the highlighted area here. Now, to run a code cell on Noteable, all you need to do is click on a code cell type where you have input some code, such as printing a statement here saying, "Hello, welcome to your first programming workshop. I am here to help you." In order to run this code cell, you have to do exactly the same thing you did with a Markdown cell. Just click on Run in the top menu. Then you will see the output of the code in that cell. There are some other features in this notebook, such as being able to summon a widget where you can input things, such as the answer to the question, "What is your name?" As you scroll down, you'll see that there are different activities that can be carried out in the notebook, such as printing a smiley face by executing a code cell. There are also examples of how to execute code that includes numerical exercises such as multiplication or division. And towards the bottom of this notebook exemplar, there is a takeaway message.